Sport Mode family, what's going on? It's your boy Swaggo back in here with another video. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another day. Y'all know how we start that off, man. Now today, y'all, we got an actual project today. The customer has requested a headlight restoration, so we got like a real deal project today, y'all. This is like the first time somebody asked for that, y'all. Going on 3 years. This is the first time somebody asked for it, so we got our kit. We gonna make sure she good. The headlights, they ain't too bad. I'll let y'all see. They ain't like too bad, y'all, you know what I'm saying? But there's a little yellowish tint, so try to get her back all the way crystal clear, you feel me? We're using the turtle wax kit today. I was gonna get the Cerakote, but I don't know, man. They wanted like, it was like $30 for that. The turtle wax kit $12, so that ain't no mystery which one I went with. Y'all already know what's going on. And then I got this boy like good job, buddy. He up in there getting the whole section done for me, man. Y'all, yesterday was tough, man. I say this whole, not even yesterday, the last 2 days of football was tough, bro. We lost 48-10. Oh, man. I don't even know what to say about that, y'all. I know we better than that. Bengals, just get that together, bro. That was horrible. That was terrible football. I don't know what that was about, bro. I rather would have had an appointment that day, bro. I'm being dead serious with y'all. Like, I would have rather really, literally went and detailed a car instead of sitting down, suffering, watching it. Like, they got the Isaiah Rodgers guy from Minnesota. I guess he like the best DB defender in NFL history. I mean, this man single-handedly by himself had 3 turnovers in consecutive drives. Like, we gotta have some heart, bro. But we gonna say that for another video, y'all, because I definitely got something to say to my squad. That is unacceptable, y'all. I'm still a fan. We still here. We just gonna move past it and get better. But yeah, that was tough yesterday. Sunday. Then yesterday, you know, I put a little something on Baltimore. Parlay didn't hit. So I don't know, man. I've been getting good luck with college football. No NFL yet, man, so hopefully we get something going with that, y'all. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn your post notifications on all so you don't miss an upload. We upload daily. If it ain't daily, it's every other day. Y'all know the spiel, y'all know the drill. Check the subscribers, get them likes up, copy your membership, join the channel. And if you're feeling generous, go ahead and donate us a super thanks. That ain't mandatory, but y'all know what is mandatory. Liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, hitting that bell so you stay tapped in with us so you don't miss an upload, bro. We coming crazy, y'all. We trying to go every day or every other day with the upload, so y'all gotta tap in, man. Hit the like buttons, go ahead and hype our videos, get us out there, you feel me? But I'm gonna take this vacuum from my son because he really done did a whole section. So let me get to work and we'll tap back in a minute, all right? Let's go. Alright, gang, so man, them headlights looking crystal clear, you feel me? But now it's time to rinse this down and get on up out of here. Yes, sir. Man, just for them clouds. I'm finding clouds. What they call it, man? Steel coat? No. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this down because I'm definitely running out of storage. So I'm gonna have to cut this on in a minute after I delete some stuff, but I'll say mission complete, y'all. Our first time doing headlight restoration. Went pretty good to me, man, but guess what? We'll tell back in a minute. All right, gang. Yes, sir, gang. So here we go, man. The Nissan Road. I'm so impressed with the headlights, y'all. Man, like, I'm like impressed, y'all. Like, seriously, like, this look great. But y'all get a good look at the inside. It wasn't too much, y'all. Just a normal road for a nice elderly woman. She's super nice though, y'all. Super nice, man. But yeah, today was more about the project, and we I believe we got it done for her. This is our first time literally ever doing headlight restoration on another person's car, y'all. Not like our first time ever doing it just for a customer. So you would be surprised, like, we offer a lot of services that I don't think a lot of people still know about. So this was definitely worth it. Say we picked up the turtle wax kit. There's plenty other headlight restoration kits, but today we started off with turtle wax because that boy was affordable. You feel me? I ain't got it like that, and even if I did, I ain't doing it. $40 for a headlight restoration kit is crazy. You know what I can get car detailing wise for $40? A lot. So you always got to remember, be smart, bro. Don't just go buying something because it's the top dollar, or because you hear people, you know, just saying it's the best. Man, you gotta try out what you think is gonna work for you. And plus, I like turtle wax, so of course y'all know I always watch their videos on YouTube, so I have no problem buying anything of theirs. Now my favorite, y'all should know by now, the Chemical Guys. Those are my favorite, but the AutoZone we at, man, they kind of low on Chemical Guys stuff, so you just gotta, you know, have alternates that work, and they do. So I'm satisfied with the turtle wax. She said it looked great. She said it looked better than when she got it off the showroom floor. So we hear that a lot, man. But yup, y'all. I'm happy, man. I'm happy, bro. Today was a learning day, a project day, and you feel me? We did what we needed to do. So now we about to pack up, go grab the girls from school for Well, they've been out of school, but we grabbing them from cheer practice. And then she was talking about the grocery store, bro. But I might just order a pizza tonight, man. I ain't got it right now, man. I ain't got it. We still, no, we do got to go to Target because we getting ready for Astro's 2-year-old birthday, man. So I want him to have a blast, y'all. So we just been going to Target like, not every day, but every other day, just picking up stuff like toys, because we don't want to shoot ourselves in the foot like we usually do and try to get everything the day before. Nah, just prepare, man. Just prepare. And especially with detailing, it kind of enables us to do things like that. So I can't complain, y'all. But man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, turn your post notifications on all so you don't miss an upload. We upload daily. If it ain't daily, it's every other day. Y'all know the spiel, y'all know the drill. Check them subscribers, get them likes up, copy your membership, join the channel. And if you're feeling generous, go ahead and donate us a super thanks. Super thanks ain't mandatory, that's all up to y'all, but y'all know what is mandatory. Like, comment, share, subscribe, post notification, turn them on all so you don't miss nothing, man. So yep, y'all, we're gonna wrap this one up here. Head to my gaming channel, Sport Mode Family Gaming. I got a 2K video dropping today. I'm probably gonna upload some more Madden and college games today, but yeah, it's more content over there. It's content over here. Just tap in with us, y'all. We everywhere. But we'll see y'all tomorrow, all right? Okay.